Number 5.
Range Hood 2025. Clean air, quiet power, sleek design. The Range Hood 2025 is the ultimate kitchen upgrade, engineered to combine powerful ventilation with smart features and a modern aesthetic. Whether you're a passionate home chef or simply want a fresher, cleaner cooking space, this next-gen Range Hood keeps the air clear while enhancing your kitchen style. Range Advanced
Number 4.
ventilation technology. Cooking should smell great. Your kitchen shouldn't. The Range Hood 2025 is equipped with high-performance motors that offer 700-1,200 CFM suction power, easily capturing smoke, steam, grease, and odors. Multi-speed fan settings let you control airflow. Dual filtration system includes aluminum mesh or baffle
Number 3.
filters and carbon filters for odor removal. Ideal for both ducted and ductless setups. Whether you're searing steak or simmering curry, this hood keeps the air crisp and breathable. No speaking ultra-quiet operation. Thanks to silent motor technology, the Range Hood 2025 operates at whisper-quiet levels, as low as 35 decibels on low settings. Enjoy conversation, music, or your favorite
Number 2.
podcast while cooking without disruption. Brain-smart features for a smarter kitchen. More than just a fan, the Range Hood 2025 includes smart integration that fits seamlessly into modern kitchens. Touchscreen or motion sensor controls. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity for remote control via app. Smart auto-on sensor activates when heat or smoke is detected. Optional voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant.
Number 1.
With scheduled cleaning alerts and filter maintenance reminders, you'll never forget to keep it in peak condition. Light bulb, elegant lighting and visibility. Equipped with LED task lighting in cool or warm tones, the hood brightens your stovetop without adding heat. Some models feature adjustable brightness levels, ambient edge lighting for a stylish touch, nightlight mode for late-night kitchen use. Home sleek, stylish, and space-saving.